Hey tubers, Ghost Fall 86 here at the river with the Algoma Niagara. So we're gonna follow her as she goes up the river.
Dude, wait, when it gets to the back end, I'll count 3 of them.
Honk the horn!
Oh, I see him up there. Honk it, honk it! I said go like this. Oh, you too, Daddy. Daddy.
Honk the horn!
Yeah.
Please!
Yeah.
Honk it! Now I'm trying to jump up. Honk! Honk! Honk the horn!
Honk the horn, please!
Honk! 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 It's no use now without the horn.
So we're gonna follow the Algoma Niagara as she goes up the river. Honk the horn, please! Well, I tried. No dice.
No wonder he's going like 50 miles an hour.
So we're following the Algoma Niagara. I tried for a salute, as you heard, but I think after a certain time, they're not allowed to honk the horns and give salutes. I'm recording off my cell phone, so I apologize for the shakiness. So we're gonna follow the Algoma Niagara really quick. Tried for a salute. Well, thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye and enjoy the video of the freighter Algoma Niagara. please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Who knows what I'll come up with next. And also, share the video with your friends. Bye, Algoma, Niagara. We'll meet again another day.